Hello and welcome to another lecture for Eastern Meditation for Power and Peace. In the previous lecture, we spoke about meditation and spirit, how the breath is linked with the spirit, the mind, the body, and what the spirit actually is. And what is it that differentiates us from being the spirit? Let's revise that. Basically, the process, the objective is to go inside. And when you go inside, you understand, you realize that you have an ego. And it is this very ego that separates you from the cosmos, from the entire grand unity system. Now, in order to dissolve this ego, we have certain Eastern practices. We'll be practicing two of them. You can say one is the shortcut method and the other is the long method. We will be practicing the long method in this video. In this video, we will exercise how to dissolve the ego. And the exercise is the art of listening. Sit down in a comfortable position and slowly close your eyes. As I always say, do not force them to close. Slowly let your eyelids loose and let your body relax. Take a couple of deep breaths. Just normal breaths, just a little deeper than usual. Now all you need to do is listen. Listen to the sound of my voice. And listen to your surrounding. Listen to close sounds. The sounds in your room. The sound that your computer might be making. The sound that your clock might be making. Listen to the sounds at around 5 meters away from you. And slowly go further. Try to listen to the sounds in your room. And now shift your focus to the sounds outside your room. It's alright if you can't hear anything. Just make sure the awareness of your ears are outside the room. Now slowly shift your focus to to outside your house. Listen to the different sounds being made around your house. Are there people speaking? Are the birds chirping? Are there any animals making any noise? Are there humans in the surrounding talking? Accept all of the sounds. Is the wind howling? Try and listen to the furthest of the sounds, the furthest sound that you can hear, and accept all of it. Now slowly start retracting back to closer sounds. The sounds around your house, the sounds inside your house, the sound in your room, the sounds around you, and the sound that your breath is making. See, look, seek, listen if there is any sound within you. Now you can go back to observing the sounds away from you and identify with them. Be the sound, be the vibration, be the frequency, and accept all sounds as you. You are in all the sounds the universe makes, whether it be the surge of the oceans or the tinklets of droplets from raindrops. Identify with the sound. You are no different from the sound. Feel yourself becoming receptive to all the sounds. Your body, your mind, and your being, all in themselves, are ears, absorbing the sounds around you. Listen. Listen intently. Listen carefully. Listen cautiously. Have an open mind and open ears. Feel yourself in all the sounds, even if it is the sound of silence. Find yourself in all the sounds. Feel yourself in all the sounds. Become sound. Become vibration. Accept all the sounds, whether they are loud or faint. Accept the sounds. Be the sound. Slowly get ready to come out of the meditation. Take deep breaths. And slowly open your eyes. You need a strong willpower to do this. But if you practice this art of listening carefully and intently on a regular basis, you find peace and calmness inside yourself. And not only that, if you practice this for 21 days, you'll start feeling that your ego dissolves. You'll start feeling that you're able to see the ego away from you. You as a being, you as a cosmic being, are different from the sense of self that your mind has created. I call this the long way of dissolving the ego because this needs a lot of patience and practice. In our next video, we will be trying out the shortcut way to dissolve the ego. Make sure you check out the next video. Thank you.